generative AI has taken over in most of the fields and domains, be it programming languages, content writing, etc. SQL is not different. Generative AI in SQL is an innovative approach of use of technology that integrates artificial intelligence to enhance and automate various aspects of SQL queries and database management. This advanced AI can understand the context of your data and queries, providing intelligent suggestions, automating routine tasks, and predicting potential issues. Next, we will see how generative AI simplifies the database work. The very first factor is automating routine tasks. So, in this particular factor, what happens is that it can write SQL queries based on natural language descriptions, saving your time and reducing errors. So here, you need not sit and write these SQL queries by your own. In plain English, if you give whatever you want to write in the query, that will be converted into your actual query. That is how we can reduce the errors. The second factor is optimizing queries. So AI can suggest or automatically apply optimizations to improve query performance. So there is this option called optimizing queries, where your queries will be optimized automatically and it will improve the performance. So the next one is predictive maintenance. It can predict potential database issues before they become crucial, allowing for proactive management. So the issues with the SQL queries can be analyzed in prior and that can be rectified by this predictive maintenance. Therefore, it allows for proactive management. Imagine you are managing a large e-commerce database and you need to generate a report showing the total sales for each product category over the last month. Traditionally, you would write a complex SQL query for this task. With generative AI, you can simply describe what you need in plain English. Generate a report showing total sales for each product category for the last month. The AI processes this request and converts it into an optimized SQL query. This query is then executed and you receive your report without having to write a single line of SQL code. Benefits of generative AI in SQL. 1. Efficiency. Speeds up the query writing process. 2. Accuracy. Reduces the risk of errors in SQL syntax. 3. Proactive management. Helps in maintaining database health with predictive analytics. Generative AI in SQL is a powerful tool that enhances productivity and accuracy, making database management more accessible and efficient. By leveraging this technology, you can focus on more strategic tasks while AI handles the repetitive and complex aspects of SQL querying. Watch the full video on our channel. Link is given below.